Hello again, everybody. Welcome to eBay Box Break. This is for the 2013-2014 Upper Deck Trilogy full display box break number 2.
Here's the last time for auction. Here's Edmonton. Here's another quick announcement to make. Head to our website, breakawaysc.com. We're doing a Trilogy Showdown break on Sunday night, starting at 7 p.m. So if you hit on the Group Breaks tab and you click on Trilogy Showdown break. So what we're doing is we're just doing like a full case, half case versus half case break. It's $42 a spot. Then any additional spot is $40. We're giving away a grand prize of a rookie anthology hobby box. So just to go on, it shows you how to make payment and everything. And we already have a couple spots sold. So if you're interested, we're doing that live Sunday night, starting at 8 p.m. That's our Sunday night showdown Trilogy group break, half case versus half case break. So if you're interested, take a look. We'll also send out the link that was
In the same eBay message where you got this link from too. It'll take you directly to the page as well. So the serial number on this box, zoom in, it's NE1999077729. That's NE1999077729. So let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everybody. It's over for some big hits. Mini box number 1. So here we go. Best of luck, everybody. First hits a Star Spotlight National Trios of Marian Hossa, Marian Gaborik, and Zdeno Chara. Randomized at the end between the Blackhawks, the Blue Jackets, and the Bruins. We have a Rookie Premier's Level 1 card of Nick Petrecki for the Sharks, 583 out of 699. We have a nice hit here. It's a signature pucks hit of Pekka for the Predators. Nice hit for the Preds. Got a Rookie Premier's Level 1 of Jonas Brodin for the Wild. It is numbered 395 out of 699. We got an Ice Scripts autograph of Yaroslav Halak for the Blues. And we have a Star Spotlight Past, Present, and Future for the Sharks of Joe Thornton, Logan Couture, and Nick Petrecki. And then the last display box. Sorry, inner box out of the display box. Let's hope for a big hit. Got our Rookie Premiers level 1 card, 574 to 699 of Dougie Hamilton for the Bruins. Nice hit for Boston. And we have a redemption. This is for Rookie Premiers level 2 for the Blues of Vladimir Tarasenko. Nice hit for the Blues. And then the last pack. It's a Crystal Premiers card for the Wild. 58 out of 125 of Charlie Coyle to finish it off. So I just got the random to do. Just give me 1 second. I'll set it up.
This is of Hossa, Gabrick, and Chara. In Chicago, Columbus, and Boston. Randomized it 3 times. So best of luck. 1, 2, and 3. So that card goes to Chicago. Congrats to Chicago. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.